How to play ESPN Fantasy Football. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the ESPN Fantasy Football application and this is how it will appear. Now over here, since current season is closed, you won't be able to sign up for the current season. And in case if the season is on, then you would be able to find the option to join that particular season. And if you already signed up for a season, then just simply click on this option of login over here and you would be able to log into that particular season. Now after signing in, you will be able to find different options like join a public league, my team, and create a league. Now let's see how we can create a league. So for that, just simply click on the option of create a league. And after that, this is how it will appear. Now over here, you can name your league and also select the size of your league, like whether you want 8 people, 10 or 20. And you can also select the scoring type and just select accordingly and click on this option of create league. This way you would be able to create a league, and after that you can invite your friends and family using the link of that league, or you can also text them the invite link and you can also email them the invite link. This way you would be able to invite different friends and family to your league and play with them. And in case if you want to join a public league, then you will be able to find that particular option after logging in. On the front screen itself, just click on the option of join a public league, and after that, according to your experience level, you will be able to join a public league. And this way you will be able to participate in the league as well. But when you create your own league, you will also be getting some extra options like the league manager tools that won't be available if you join someone else's public league. So that's the basic difference. And also you cannot join your friend's league, and for that your friend will have to invite you using their league's invite link. And on the my team section, you will be able to manage your team and also change the logo and all the other stuff related to your team. You will be able to find the option of matchups and the players available, so you can just switch the players in order to make your team stronger. And you will also be able to see the standings and other stuff related to league on that particular tab. And this way you will be able to strategize better and see your opponents who are matching against you and all the other stuff related to that. And you can make changes to your team and add the players that you actually want that can give you a win, and all sort of details related to league. And there are some options which are not available directly on the ESPN Fantasy app. So for these options, you will have to open up the ESPN.com website, and over there just log into your account and you will be able to make changes to advanced settings using the website. And that was all about ESPN Fantasy Football. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.